What's poppin', fangoons? Welcome back to my channel for another video. In today's video, we are talking about the basic essentials that you need to have in your closet, as in pants, jeans, and shoes. My brother told me a few months ago that I did not respect deadlines, and of course, I didn't believe him. But now this video is supposed to be a part 3 to the back to school essentials, and school started about a week ago. So I totally missed that deadline, but we are still here to vibe. Now y'all already know how it goes. I ain't gonna tell y'all to do any of those 3 things for me, but if y'all want to, comment, like, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into this. To start this off, we're gonna start off with the basics, the complete basics. Y'all need some blue jeans. I ain't even gonna lie, I got a pair of Levi's here. I really like Levi's, but sometimes they can get expensive. So this is what I'm showing y'all. Levi's, like 65, 70 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Now these, on the other hand, I got these for 10 bucks. Me and my brother went to Miami, went to a concert, you know what I'm saying? Went to Rolling Loud, it was pretty lit. Felt like I ain't really bring any clothes, so I was like, let's go to Walmart. And yeah, the rest is history. But anyways, make sure y'all keep an eye out for the clearance racks at Walmart. The clearance racks will be saving y'all's lives sometimes, bro. I got this for $3. Now, it's a basic pullover, but bro, you can't pass it over $3. I got these for 10 bucks. Y'all definitely need blue jeans in your closet. Now, as a super essential piece, I mean, blue jeans is definitely something that everyone needs. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like everyone knows that, but you know, I still gotta say it because sometimes people don't really know. But I mean, any kind of jean really, but the blue jeans kind of just go with everything. You know what I'm saying? Levi's is kind of the way to go, but if you can't afford Levi's, which is understandable, buy a pair of jeans. You can buy a pair of jeans from Walmart. Choice number 2, 100% without a doubt, you need cargos in your closet. This is something I feel like I don't even have to explain. Whatever color, whatever brand, that's on you, but you definitely need cargos in your closet. Definitely an essential piece, like absolutely. Cargos go with anything. In my opinion, I really saved the best for last. We talked about jeans, we talked about cargos. This next pair of pants isn't just my favorite pair of pants. This is actually one of my all-time favorite brands. Me and this brand have been through thick and thin. It's really a brand of the people. You know what I'm saying? They're affordable and super durable. Now that brand is Dickies.
When people work, chances are they're wearing Dickies. It's the best-selling work set in America. And if you need coveralls, overalls, work gloves, socks, or shirts, footwear, headgear, underwear, or outerwear, they all have Dickies horseshoe label. Dickies are America's favorite work clothes, but who says you have to work in them? Dickies, made with Celanese Fortrell polyester.
Now I know what y'all are thinking, bruh. Oh, Dickies, that's mid, that's this, that. Bruh, you are not gonna find a more durable pair of pants. They come with creases, they're classy, they go with everything. Like, I have multiple pairs of Dickies. They come in clutch every time. They go with Forces, they go with Vans, they go with Crocs, they go with any kind of shoe you're trying to wear them with. These are like the most universal pants that you can own. Cop yourself some Dickies, you will not regret it. That was it for the pants. Moving on to the shoes, we're gonna go from kind of flashy to just comfortability. Everybody should own a pair of these, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people, again, are like, oh, that's mid. Whatever, you need to have a pair of these. You know, I like to go kind of, not cheap, but like affordable. And shoe number 1 that you absolutely need, I don't care what anybody tells you, is a pair of white Forces. White or black, I don't care what color, that's on you. Now, I won't be so cut and dry on the Air Forces part because I know that Air Forces are like 125, 130. So if you can't afford that, totally understandable, but definitely buy yourself some Nikes. Staying on the more expensive shoes, get your hands on some New Balances. I ain't gonna lie, I really like some New Balances right now too. Y'all are gonna kill me for this next pick. But this is another brand that is for the people, just like Dickies, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, this shoe and Dickies goes together like peanut butter and jelly. With that being said, I'm pretty sure you guys know what my next choice is. My next choice is Vans. I don't even need to explain to you guys why you need a pair of Vans. Just go cop a pair of Vans, you know what I'm saying? Vans literally go with anything, a million different styles. If you do not have Vans in your closet, change that. Moving on, my last choice. Well, my last category, really. My opinion, you either need a pair of slides of your choosing, whatever brand, or you need a pair of Crocs. Now, I know a lot of people hate on Crocs also, but yo, Crocs, again, for the people. They've been getting a little pricey, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes they got some stuff on sale. But yo, you need a pair of Crocs or you need a pair of slides. You need something that you could just slip on and that is completely comfortable. The all-terrain Crocs are really the way to go. They are a little bit more expensive, and in my area, they don't really be selling them in the stores. But if you go on the Crocs website, you can find them on there. They are the most comfortable pair of Crocs that they've ever made. That's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm working really hard on a new series I'm trying to drop on the channel. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I haven't seen anybody else in the clothing area do anything like it, so stay tuned for that. Keep it 100 in the streets. Call me whatever you want, but baby, just don't call the cops. Peace.
Dreams